So these are our cork pin boards that the brand was nice enough to send us. And what I'm going to be doing with these, they were really easy to stick on the wall. What I'm going to be doing with these is putting all of my Disney pins that I have traded for and purchased to display them on my wall in a really pretty way. So these cork boards come in different patterns, and you do get 10 of these in the pack. I only used 9 just because I wanted a particular shape, but they are 12 inches, and you can see all you do is just peel the backs off. The adhesive is already on there. They're very sturdy compared to other cork boards that I've had before, and I want to put pins on these, so I need them to be sturdy on the wall and support the pins. And you can just see me putting all of my Disney pins on here. I have some pretty heavy ones and also some light ones, and both went in the well. They do pop in versus some of the other cork boards. I felt like these just will hold them up really well, and they're sturdy. And I've had them on my wall now for about maybe close to 2 weeks now, and you can see this is what they look like in all of their glory. I think it just looks great. Honestly, I almost didn't want to put my pins on it because I felt like just the cork boards made it look kind of like an art piece up with the different patterns that it had, but this is what it looks like. They're holding in there extremely well. I haven't had any issues with them trying to peel off the wall or anything. The adhesive is very strong, and one of them I did position a little incorrectly, and I was able to move it.